What's up my beautiful people? Guess what your girl is cooking up today? Chicken back with ackee. So as you can see, I have some chicken back here. I clean it properly, see? I get everything out and I wash it with vinegar first, and then I wash it with some lemon. As you can see, my lemon is still in there. So I'm gonna show you how I season my chicken back. So right here, as you can see, I have some scallion, some thyme, garlic, onion, and some sweet pepper. So I'm gonna put this on my chicken back right now. I'm gonna pour everything in. So here I have some garlic. I'm gonna put a dash of garlic powder, a dash of ginger powder, a dash of pimento powder. I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose season. Bear in mind, guys, you want your chicken back to be well seasoned. I'm gonna go in with some roasted garlic, and as usual, my favorite, jerk season. So I'm gonna go with a dash. I'm gonna put a little soy sauce because you don't want your chicken back to look white. So I'm going to rub in the seasoning now. I didn't put any salt because I don't normally put salt when I'm seasoning up meat, because you know already the seasoning have salt in them already. So I'm going to leave it to marinate for a bit. And then I'm going to take you through the process how I cook my chicken back with ackee. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. I have the oil on the fire. I'm going to put my chicken back in to brown a little and cook down a little before I put my ackee in. So basically I'm going to put everything inside the pan. So I'm going to let it brown and cook down for a little bit. So now guys, I'm going to put a little bit of water inside of it. And I'm going to leave it, I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook. Look at that juicy chicken back. So as you can see, guys, the chicken back is already cooked. So I'm gonna prepare my ackee right now to put inside of it. So guys, here's my ackee. I'm gonna open the can right now. See, it's my ackee. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna throw some hot water over it, because normally I always throw hot water over it once it's coming from the can. And over here, I'm gonna have my chicken back and ackee with some dumpling, cassava, some sweet potato, and some yellow yam. My first time cooking cassava. So that's my ackee. I pour it out in the strainer, so I'm gonna pour the hot water over it. I'm gonna leave it to drain a little in the sink. So now that the chicken back is cooked, I'm gonna add my my ackee in. I throw off some of the oil that was inside, because you know that chicken back spring oil. So I throw off some of the oil because I don't want too much oil inside of it. So now I'm gonna put my ackee in. I'm gonna put a pinch of black pepper. Some black pepper, and then I'm gonna use my fork and fold it in. So I'm gonna fold in the ackee with the chicken back. So basically use a fork, because if you use a spoon, the ackee is gonna be smushy and you don't want that. You don't want that. Wow, this looks so nice. So once more again, guys, that's how I cook my ackee with chicken back. So I'm going to leave it like for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And then I'm going to turn off the stove. So there you go. You can like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Tell me what you think about my ackee and chicken back. And please remember guys to share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye until next time.